Hello everyone, this is a slightly different setup today. I am in my car and Lana is here! Woo! Yeah! So basically Lana was my roommate on my first programme. We lived together in Patterson. We both worked in wait, just introduce yourself.
Okay, well I'm Lana and
wow, I think they got that.
And I worked at
come on, Crossroads.
The Oscars. It's called Oscars. That's why.
In Hollywood Studios.
In Hollywood Studios, yes, and that's a merch location, but it was like the stroller place.
Yeah, so she did strollers, ECVs, all that fun stuff. Lana is visiting. So me and Lana bonded over 3 things in the summer. 1, friendship fair.
Yeah.
2, Phantasmic. 3, carrot cake cookie. We only really have a good chance of recreating, I think, 2 of these. No, actually today we're going to try and recreate the carrot cake cookie. So, brief history for you guys if you don't know. The carrot cake cookie started out its journey in Hollywood Studios at the writer's stop. It was right in the back. They closed that section down before you were there. Right. It was like the streets of Hollywood at the back. It was a great place. Then they moved it to Sweet Smells, and you know, glorious. And then they closed Sweet Smells to make it a Pixar merch location, and now it's sold at Trolley Car Cafe, which is Starbucks. But it didn't just move to Starbucks, it changed entirely. It's like, you don't really mess with things like the carrot cake cookie.
No. I didn't try it once it changed.
Well, no, you haven't been back.
No.
Basically, this summer it changed. So, cookie is used very loosely in this situation. It's basically carrot cake. It's like 2 circular discs, cream cheese frosting in the middle, and then like sandwiched together. And it used to get away with it because it was like thin, like a cookie, but now it's just like fat. But we've found, I'm being like discriminatory towards a cookie.
I know.
Fat cookie. But basically we're gonna try, found a recipe online of an imitation version. So we're gonna try and recreate that, and it's more like the old version. Basically I just really want a carrot cake cookie.
Me too.
So we've got the recipe, we're going to Sainsbury's. That is a grocery store in England for Americans who don't know. It's a great place. And hopefully this works. Off we go. I don't know how to end. It's just gonna keep going. What?
You went.
And I read your name. Okay, we're gonna go. Lana's in chat. Oh god, that's an attractive angle.
Time to witness M's amazing driving.
Really, really good driving. I would like to dedicate my driving today to my friends who used to make fun of me because I didn't like to drive. This video is dedicated to them. Used to be like, why don't you drive? It's like, sorry, I have panic attacks. We're getting deep today on the channel.
Let's see if I can put this here.
It's not gonna sit there. That's a really good angle.
I'm so sorry.
It's an ordinary demiguy.
Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. I'm trying to get us both in. Oh my god, you're gonna be so annoyed at me when you look at this clip because I keep. Look how English this street is. Nearly crashed already.
Oh,
Honestly, I could go on and I can explain every natural phenomenon.
Tied the grass to the ground. Oh no, it's Mary just living around.
Sprouted a tree, now they got coconuts.
And the tapestry here in my skin is a village of introduction. Look at him here and make everything happen. Look at You're welcome. You're welcome.
That can sing her as well.
You're welcome. And thank you. So, I've never really vlogged in England before. We're about to vlog in Sainsbury's. This is probably going to be embarrassing, but Lana's in charge of the bag because she's safety queen. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This kid literally is a psycho. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Most important ingredient, carrot. So our carrot is 200 grams and I was like, maybe we should get a smaller one. Lana wants to snap on it. Yeah. She's just like a rabbit. You're becoming like Stormy.
I am.
We found the cream cheese and we're gonna go for the light brand because we're health gurus. Also on discount for £1. Got carrots, we got our grater, got the applesauce, everything we need. Let's go make it. Woo! She's really hyped. It feels. Oh, every step we take. One time I was at uni and I watched this behind the scenes video of Happily Ever After on the bus, and I started crying on the bus. Like, how lame do you have to be? Something I've always thought about, okay, so in Little Mermaid, all of the fish are like happy singing, dancing, Ariel Mermaid singing, dancing.
Yeah.
Max, the dog, doesn't speak. Why? Like,
Something he's not telling us.
time for lunch, and for any Americans out there watching, this is a classic, amazing British meal, beans on toast. I craved this all summer, but it's literally like, you can't go wrong.
I like it.
We're back! We have all our ingredients perfectly laid out. So, we just start. So, first thing to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Quick disclaimer, this is not a tutorial video. This is a watch us hopefully not fail too badly video. On a sheet of parchment paper, sift together flour, baking soda, salt and cinnamon. On a parchment paper? No, we're not doing that.
No.
The flour, 85 grams. We have this wild thing in England called a scale. And we don't have things with cups. We weigh it out. Okay, flour, would you like to put that in? Okay, Lana. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. We're already at 2.5 minutes. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Is that even worth having? I'll do.
Salt or pixie dust?
The world will never know. So now we need in a large bowl to mix the eggs, sugar, oil and vanilla. Who wants to crack the egg?
I cannot be trusted.
It's my moment.
You're here.
Oh my god. No! Success! Success! 43 grams of sugar.
This is going to be tricky to get out.
Would you like a spoon? Spoon of sugar. That's 30 grams. That's going to be too much. What should you be like dead on? No! Oh! I literally... Ow! She got exactly 43 grams. Anyone can cook. We need 30 grams of carrot and we need to grate it. So I'm going to start grating the carrot.
Well, not a bad job, a tough job.
Not one everyone's suited to.
I would do it the other way. Like this. We have
like that.
0 grams. No, that's fair. Do you want me to do it?
Rude. Yes.
This is tricky. I know. Watch this.
Time for a story time video while we wait. One time Lana had to deal with a ECV that had some on it.
As well as an elderly man who also had said waste all over him. And they actually, hold on, they didn't mention it, they just dropped it off.
Actually disgusting.
They didn't, say sorry about the mess. My elderly
I was so happy.
father, that was. I think the fact that they never said anything just made it worse. And then we had to deal with, well, I didn't, I called custodial.
That was always the best thing, like the leader's always like, everyone's a custodian, everyone should pick up, and then when it's something crap they're like, cool, custodian. Like one time I had a guest, I worked at the exit store for Star Tours, so you know they give back the 3D glasses. Some guest here was like, oh, someone's just thrown up in the bins where you put the 3D glasses. And I told my leader, she was like, cool, custodian. So I was like on the phone like, you're gonna have to clean up a code.
30 grams?
Yes. Crushed it. So when you're like, oh, carrot cake, one of my favourite, that's gonna go in 6.
Snack time.
2/3 of a cup of applesauce. Come for the plop. So this is our lovely wet ingredient mix, And then shortly we'll be adding that to our dry ingredient mix. I feel like, I don't know, I just feel weird.
Because you're mixing.
How fast was that? That was impressive. Crushed it like a cookie. My arm hurts already.
This looks yummy.
I don't know how much to do. Like that? Is that a cookie? So we need like maybe 2 spoonfuls per half?
Yeah.
I don't want us to do a tray each separate though, because then it will be like, these were mine and yours will be better than mine.
No, you're kidding me, it's all coming burnt.
No, I don't want it to be direct comparison. I don't want to know which one mine. So here is the beautiful pre-oven result. What do you think?
Looking good. This wasn't in the recipe, but make sure
to trim your parchment paper, guys. We don't want any accidents. Okay, 9 minutes. I'm not feeling too confident.
Oh, they've conjoined.
We're just breaking them up to be actual individual cookies. This one looks like a snowman. Let's go make the frosting. That's the best part. In a medium bowl, beat together the butter and cream cheese. Here's the cream cheese. Ooh. I'm sorry, cream cheese is disgusting. Cream cheese frosting, how does that come out of cream cheese?
I like cream cheese in a sandwich.
That's disgusting. The powdered sugar and beat until creamy. Creamy. How much do we need? 260 grams.
That's a lot.
Good thing we've got a lot. Oh wow, this is really going to be a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
Oh, for God's sake, why?
Off we go.
Oh. That looks very, very, very smooth.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, so we've got the cookies, and I don't know how I'm going to show it. I'm cautiously optimistic. What was that?
So excited.
So, like, they're very flat, but they look exactly like the ones that you get, just like from flattened. Yeah. So we've got the icing, and we're gonna just try and turn them into something beautiful. So cool.
That looks good. That looks so good.
Oh my god. I feel like that's like a Disney level. I think I shortchanged mine a little bit. These are so good. I'm not even like... Okay though, that is amazing. Okay, come on though. That's a carrot cake cookie. I can't believe how well we've done.
I know.
They are legit. I thought this was going to be a massive fail. I mean, we haven't tasted it yet, but half of the challenge is the look, and they look pretty spot on. Okay, moment of truth.
Are we going for it? Are we going for the bite?
What else did we do?
I don't know.
Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers. That's so legit.
I am impressed. I cannot believe we pulled this off.
Look at that. That's what a carrot cake cookie looks like inside.
Hmm.
How the hell did we do that?
I don't know.
I'm so happy. So, if anyone clicked on this thinking we were going to fail, we succeeded to the max.
We did.
Like, I'd rate these as 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
This is the closest you'll get to having one, not in Hollywood studios.
Yeah.
You just keep saying one word.
Yep.
High five.
High five.
That was such a success. And we're going to go watch Hocus Pocus and eat these, and life is so perfect. Yay! Bye.
Bye.
Oh, thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe, comment other foods I should recreate, because I'm down for that now.
Yeah, you could do a whole series.
And I'll see you next time. Bye!
Up in paradise, I suppose. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello.